Welcome to West Coast Shenanigans.
Start to the adventures. We have an Uber.
What?
Matt's so nervous. What'd you say?
I said it's real now. There's no turning back.
We just got to the airport not too long ago. We took an Uber here. Now, me have never done this before. We don't go on planes by ourselves. We don't travel. This is once in a lifetime. Shit we don't do is happening right now. So, legit, 2 tickets right here. 2 planes to get to one place.
Now which way do we go?
I don't know where I'm going.
Museum.
What does it say?
D45. Okay, so we gotta go to D.
Are you sure? What's main, or is it main 2? Oh, I see. There's times on it. Okay, at least they make it simple. Because we were so scared that we were, holy shit, look at the line. Is that where we gotta go?
I think so.
Oh no. People. We're in line to get on the plane. So we made it through the checkout, which is great. And take a look at this. It's really happening, guys. It's really happening. Here we are, we made it. Look at that sun. It's so pretty. It's gonna be our first flight. Will be Salt Lake City.
You got here?
And then we're hopping off of that plane and getting on to going for Bozeman, Montana. So should be good.
Here we are.
Here we are, in the tunnel. We made it.
What?
Where?
Bozeman.
For passenger Brian
9:30.
Wright.
But it's 11:30.
For your last item.
We got some food. What is this place called? I don't know, but this is pretty. Food's not
Mediocre.
Yeah, it's not. We missed the Milwaukee bourbon and chicken. Oh well. Intro to Salt Lake City. So we made it here at what time at?
9:30.
9:30ish, 8:30ish, somewhere around there. And our next flight was supposed to be at 9:30, but it got delayed 2 hours. So our next flight will be at 11:30 now, and we will be arriving around 12:30, 1 o'clock. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. Hopefully we make it.
Hopefully.
We'll
It's
see.
got air conditioning.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah.
That's awesome. We delayed it again. We delayed it again. I'm pissed. I was texting people. After waiting 4 hours, we're getting on the next plane. Woo!
If you have 2 bags, place only one of them in the overhead bin. The second.
Yeah, now we're actually here. We landed. Bozeman, Montana. I like the wood look. Ooh. Ooh. Can I live here? Oh, they got a big bear over there. Hey, nice. Oh my god, they're picking us up with the camper. This is great. Here we go. This is crazy.
What's going on, boss? Oh man, it's been an adventure, I swear. Man.
Yeah, nice to meet you, Matt.
Hey, Mel. I hope you don't mind. I'm just filming for YouTube.
Hell yeah. That
Okay,
sounds
cool.
great.
I appreciate it, man.
Of course.
Awesome.
Beast, huh?
Yeah. She's running pretty good.
Nice.
Better than when I started a week ago.
That's good.
Hell yeah.
I've been really enjoying driving it around, test driving it and stuff.
So cool.
It's really special.
Yeah.
People have been, yeah, go get in there. People have been, well, yeah, they blew me up on Facebook till I put pending, but driving
Yeah.
around the last couple of days, like test driving it and stuff,
Sure.
people have been asking me about it.
Yeah.
I see people taking pictures
Oh,
of
of
it.
course. You don't see these around ever.
It's got some bad spots, but like,
Yeah, up in the
literally,
mid.
I mean, it's solid, dude.
There's It goes. It goes for sure.
Here she is. Wow.
Yeah, where are we going? Do you know?
You can just go to my house,
Okay.
and then we can go wherever. I just live like that way.
Perfect.
We're gonna all fit in here?
Yeah.
Oh, hell yeah.
That's loose, but everything shifts loose.
Okay.
As long as it's just.
Here we go.
The e-brake works really well. I thought that was surprising. It works better than the one in the truck.
Well, that's good because if the brakes do go out, we have something.
Awesome.
Wow, this thing is like way cooler in person than it is on.
In the picture.
I seen it even had air conditioning. I was like, holy cow.
And it works.
It works?
Hell yeah.
Oh my god.
What? No way.
And then this is open, or you can put a window in here.
Okay.
This thing is tits.
Sweet.
This thing's in like immaculate condition. What are we offering this guy?
I don't know.
I mean,
it's got the tailgate and everything.
it's got everything. Like, you're never gonna find one like this ever again. It's got a fucking fridge.
Where's the tabletop?
It's got a fucking fridge out.
It's got a fucking fridge. Get in that cabinet. What's in there? Oh, closet.
Dude, it doesn't
What's
even-
in there?
It doesn't even need to be gutted.
Matt,
What?
I think it kind of does.
Well, okay. Cool.
Yeah. All right, we got the title all signed. All the bills got handed to the band. Now we're broke again, but guess what? We got a sweet ass camper. And look at that view. Woo! Don't get better than that, boys. Don't get better than that. Oh my God, I can't believe it's happening. Here we go.
It's crazy.
Who does this stuff? Who does this? It's so cool.
I can't believe there's like nothing. It just runs like mint.
Yeah. I just can't believe these mountains, man.
Holy shit, we're gonna go through that.
Oh. Our first gas station stop, and there's already these guys looking at it. Yep.
You like the Toyota?
What year is it?
77.
77, he said.
We just bought it. We flew in from Wisconsin to come and get it.
We got an 85 Dolphin.
Oh yeah? Yeah, my buddy's got a Dolphin too. I see this, I couldn't pass it up.
Some type of liquid. Oh, some type of liquid's coming at me. What is that? Oh, I'm getting wet. So the heat works because it was a little cold, so I used my sweatshirt as a blanket. But, and I'm getting a little moist. But it's all good, guys. We're doing good so far. How many minutes in the trip? 10?
Yeah, probably.
This is great. What's going on?
This is the first hill, it doesn't like it.
Oh, fuck. Hang in there. Hang in there, girl.
Speed limit's 80, we're going 60. whole thing is just, it's like, it's happening. And the AC fucking works.
Better than you thought it was gonna be?
I'm just blown. It's so fucking amazing. Everything. The flight. Well, the flight sucked, but
Yeah.
the flight was good, but the waiting sucked.
Yes, yes it
Little
did.
Caesars. Yeah.
Little Caesars. Where's Little Caesars?
There was a trailer. A semi.
Ay.
Getting that pizza later.
Matt just figured out a hack. He's got Polish cruise control on. We are going downhill.
We're going 60 downhill. It just is automatic.
Just ran to O'Reilly's, got some oil since she is actually leaking some good amount of oil. But look at this. They have it's a auto color, like professional auto paint. What? Sorry.
Over there where it's better.
Oh,
It's
okay.
all dirty under.
Gotcha. So I decided to climb back here, and this is what we got going on. So this is pretty cool. You can see out there while we're driving. Not only that, let me zoom in. Hold on. Here we go. So this is like the bench area. Boom, boom. Then let me just put my foot up here. Look how cool this is. This is the coolest fucking thing ever. What a fucking dream boat. How is this even real? This is the coolest fucking thing. I don't know how this can get any cooler. Like, legit. Fuck yeah.
What?
We scored. Bring it
What?
in. We scored.
Why? What do we score for?
Matt, you gotta see this video.
What?
It's so good.
What? What's so good?
Man, the sunset is beautiful. 10 out of 10. Woo! Wow. That's crazy. Alright, where are we now?
Wherever this thing
We are at right now.
Bozeman, Montana. You are here. Miles City.
Interesting.
We came
Oh.
from Bozeman.
Oh, it's Bozeman.
Bozeman. Whatever.
Bozeman, guys.
Bozeman.
Yeah, I'm taking a piss.
What men's is on that side?
Oh shit. Oh, I can't finagle you in the bathroom? Alright. So, we made it to North Dakota. It is 5 something in the morning, 5:30. Just went to go get breakfast, took a little snooze, got some blankets because we are freezing cold at the gas station here. Gas station truck stop. Not really too sure what's going on here. Matt's not feeling too well. I'm not feeling that well. We still got like 13 hours to go here, so we're just trying to make it home, get back into our nice warm beds, and basically go from there. So, peace. All right, guys, we made it to Minnesota. She was running a little hot, but we decided.
Where did you get it?
Thank you. Montana. We just picked it up. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
we flew out from Wisconsin and driving all the way back.
Oh, nice. Awesome. Yeah.
Yeah, you don't see these around anymore.
Yeah.
I haven't seen one of those in what? 35 years now.
Yeah.
What year is it?
To 77. Oh yeah. Already having fun.
Whole vacation bullshit with people.
Hey.
So, you already put in, if you want to go for a week, put in for 2 weeks. I'll tell you that right now.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, yep.
Magnificent.
Have a good one.
We'll
Thanks.
see ya. Oh shit, I forgot what I was saying. Anyways, I'm just really upset because we are 40 minutes away from Comrade, which is where the Sea Boys are at. And I want to go visit them so bad with this camper, but we will not make it home on time to get to work tomorrow. So we have to leave. So it is what it is. What are you doing, Matt? dinner. And
Yeah.
how far away are we? 50 minutes?
Oh, we're like 40,
45 minutes. So add on an extra hour to that.
I already added that.
We'll be home soon, I promise, guys. Woo. Well, after driving for pretty much 24 hours, more than that, we made it. We made it home, guys. Woo! Holy crap. For all the people that doubted us, we made it! We made it! High five.
What?
Weakest high five ever.
Yeah, we're home. Like literally a second ago.